All right, so I'm looking at buying a truck that's got 197,000 miles on it. Is that a waste of money? Um, I understand by looking at the previous maintenance history, they've been using snake oil in the maintenance.
All right. Well, to
Or that
start,
BG stuff, whatever it is, snake oil.
to start off, it's most definitely worth buying. And
The snake oil?
the truck,
The truck,
the
but not
truck.
the snake oil.
Well, I'll get there.
Oh,
So, there's a reason that it's at 197,000, and there's a reason that you're looking at buying it at 197,000.
it's a
And
good looking truck.
it's not because they kept it clean. It's because they actually ran the proper maintenance with a good maintenance fluid, run through their product where they had less mechanical breakdowns, and they didn't prolong it. Because a lot of times what happens on these vehicles, if people aren't running the proper maintenance, they let these breakdowns, because some of them can get pretty pricey, build up on them, and it just gets worse and it gets worse and it gets worse. I have a multitude of cars in my shop, vehicles, trucks, combination, that are all over 200,000 using these same products, and I have same customers that have already took their vehicle to 250,000 miles, and they're bringing me in their new ones because they want that 2024 to go to 250,000 more miles. They've actually used it, they've tried the product, they've tested it for themselves, they love it. This bonus thing for them is because that same customer that has got his truck at 197,000 miles, I guarantee he has less visits to the shop than the person that doesn't do any maintenance. And I also guarantee he actually spends less money in the long run getting it to 197,000 than the person that just leaves their transmission fluid alone and says, "Oh, the dealership told me never to change that. Just it'll last the life of the transmission." It'll last the life of the transmission. The life of the
They don't say it's the life of the transmission, though. They say it's a lifetime fluid, right?
Depends on the dealership. They do say it's a lifetime fluid, but what that results into is it's the life of the transmission, and the life of that transmission could be 150,000 or it could be 65,000. And I guarantee that you don't want to be putting a transmission in your vehicle at 65,000 because we didn't change the fluid.